Hello, welcome to another Weatherford BMW Genius tutorial. My name is Devin. Today we'll be talking about Driver Assistance Professional. Driver Assistance Professional allows autonomous driving for freeway use. This button starts your adaptive cruise control. This is how you control the speed. Firmly press it to go up 5 miles per hour, or lightly tap it to go up 1 mile per hour. This button here switches to adaptive cruise control with lane assistance. This is your distance control. Press your plus button to gain distance in front of you and the vehicle. Press your minus button to decrease the distance between you and the vehicle. Your set button brings you to the current speed limit. Your resume and cancel button resumes or cancels your adaptive cruise control. This is your limiter button. This limits you from going a certain speed by using your gas or brake. When it illuminates yellow, you'll have to grab the steering wheel. This is another Weatherford BMW Genius tutorial. My name is Devin. Talk to you soon.